Alright guys, today's Wednesday, March 15th. I want to go over a quick US dollar Swiss franc trade I made, a smart money Wyckoff trade. So here we had structure down here. This was short-term structure, not long-term. This was 5-minute structure, and I aligned this 5-minute structure with my analysis, with my fundamental analysis from other sources, and that's what I like to do. So when I'm trading Wyckoff or I'm trading smart money, the first thing I like to do is when I look at technical analysis, I like to identify market structure to know who's in control of the market. And the reason I like to pair my fundamental analysis with who's in control of the market and market structure is because smart money is, like we obviously know, smart money is in control of the market. And a lot of times when we see a lot of these rumors like on the news, like you see here, for example, US dollar Swiss franc bets for at least a 25 BPS Fed rate hike in March, or forecast US dollar Swiss franc at 0.95 in 3 months. And what I tend to notice is a lot of people focus on the news that actually comes out and will try to trade the actual news when the exact time it comes out, when that's the actual wrong thing to do. You want to actually trade before your red and orange folders on Forex Factory or Economic Calendar. And the reason you want to do that is because when you collect the data, like when you collect news headlines that provide rumors inside of what you collected, like for example, like we just read, forecast US dollar Swiss franc at 0.95 in 3 months. These are all rumors, but most of the time, those are the buying and selling opportunities. When you, like they say, buy the rumor, sell the news, but in Forex, because we make money both buying and selling, you would buy the rumor or sell the rumor, and buy the news is for people, retail traders. Okay. So I collected data on Swiss franc, fundamental data, that saying it was going to go up. And I'm not going to get into detail of the fundamental data. And then I aligned that with what I noticed on the chart here, which was smart money coming in here with this big giant break of structure here and this big giant healthy price action, leaving behind a 3-minute imbalance. It came down to that 3-minute balance, bounced off, broke structure, came back down. This was a failure right here. This order block came back up. I was doing a little test there. Came back down. I found another demand zone on an 8-minute chart. And that's another thing, guys. When you have TradingView Pro and you actually get a subscription, it allows you to see things other people can't see because you're trading on multiple time frames normal people don't trade on. Like, who trades on the 8-minute? Who can even go on, like, for example, look, the 2-minute, right? Who can go on the 2-minute? And so this allows us to see things like this. You see my entry, order blocks. It allows us to see examples of Wyckoff and institutions on these time frames, and then I align it with my fundamental analysis. So here, came down to this 8-minute demand, bounced off, broke structure all the way up here, came back down. My TP was over here, up here. This was a higher time frame liquidity area right here, equal highs. And then this trade was taken on the 2-minute, and if you go to the 15-minute, it looks smaller. But yeah, guys, you can take trades like this. It's not impossible. You don't need to have 20 pip stop loss. It is for retailers that don't believe this, but smart money comes to specific areas and reacts to those specific areas. So because of this, we don't trade as many times a week as most traders do. We wait for the actual movements and wait until we have logical confirmations of that trade. And yes, we do have losses, but we win way more than we lose. I usually take 4 to 5 trades a week. I have a Discord, if you're wondering. I do not have a course. I have a Discord. I have a chart gallery that you can come and join in with the community. You can see all the charts, examples, and things like that. I don't do signals. I will make a course in the future, but I don't like to sell a lot of money, and I don't like to pay. I don't like to make people pay a lot for information like this, okay? So if you want to learn more about this, click the link. I have a Discord. It does cost, guys. It does cost to join, but it's not fucking $500 to $1,000. I used to do that and get tired of paying, wishing I can join expensive shit. It's only $11 a month, and you get access to some of my videos. I will do lives, and I also have a chart gallery that I update on a daily basis. I provide 3 screenshots of my trades. per three to five screenshots of my trades per week and 3 back tests per day. So what back tests are trading examples. So we trade order blocks, supply and demand, accumulation redistribution, Wyckoff schematics, and I do it a specific way. Other traders do it a certain way, but that's just the way I do it. If you're into it, click the link and you can start doing trades like this, or at least get help. And this is really made for experienced traders that understand a little bit about the market and understand what Wyckoff and smart money is. And if you are a beginner, that's fine also. There's plenty of info we provide in the group. It's only $11 a month to join. Click to join our Patreon in the description, and I'll see you guys on another video. I just wanted to make this quick video. Peace.